Former Zengeza West legislator Job Scala has pleaded with the Zimbabweans to make noise about incarcerated opposition activists and pro-democracy campaigners, saying the country was under siege from the ZANU-PF regime. Tuna Job Scala arikuya panapa achikonzeresa ruzha achiti aiwa vakomanaka kune vanhu vakaincarcerate sezvandakaitiwawo varimu toda kukonzeresa pa the upcoming SADC summit. Sana bina mashoko abuda nyongo panapa mzimu ai so toga wetu wana Job Scala ndumbo subscribe or like what on the bell icon. Tipina mani gomchinzi posting on X, Scala said Zimbabweans can help by tweeting to demand their release from pre-trial incarceration. Below is Scala's message: plea to every Zimbabwean of good moral standing. We might be preoccupied with our daily challenges and commitments as individuals, but I come before you with humility and a very heart. Our nation is under siege from a criminal regime that is crushing every dissenting voice. Since the arrest of Jameson Timber in the Avond of 78, there's been escalation of repression throughout the country against all political, social, and human rights activists. An operation to hunt down all non-opposition activists throughout the country has been put in motion. No province, district, or ward is going to be spared without being persecuted because of SADC summit that will be held in 2 weeks time. Mashoko anotokwa na Job Scala chinikareja vanhu kupatishina kana kudemonstrate vachidemanda the release yevanhu vari musungwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro mashoko ake pene comment section medu. Musakana subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.